The next romper is super boho sexy. Super plunging. Aarestuhin na nila ako. Masyado na raw ako shopaholic. Wag po. This is Charlotte, your Mrs. F, your Mrs. Frugalicious, in today's fashion haul featuring Lovito. We have a haul of 10,000 pesos. In this video, we're going to review the brand, the pricing, the sizing, whether it's Lovito, or Tsaka ito. To all of my returning F bombshells, yes, we are back from our medical leave, and yes, we are looking a little bit more womanly. We're looking a little bit more full. That's right, I have been on medical leave bed rest for 2 months with double dose of oral steroids. So yes, the worry is if these clothes are still going to fit me. Anyway, thank you so much for waiting for this video. I'm going to make your wait worth it with this haul. This time around, I thought I wanted it to be hot girl summer. Yeah, when I ordered this, it was still summer. Now, it's already raining. But that's okay. Konting ulan ba? Papapigil ka sa pag-aura? All products, discount codes, possible giveaways will be linked in the description box below, so please read. Okay, enough introduction, more action. Let's get showing. Okay, our first item is this. Jaran! This beautiful white rib top in a size small for 269 pesos. May pa-cleavage, pero takip ang braso sa mga nagtatago ng braso. And, oh my gosh, ibaba nyo lang. Oh my gosh, help me! Ito na naman yung problema ko. Gumanda na naman ako. Hirap. Grabe, umakyat na naman yung sex appeal. This comes in small, medium, and large. One of my personal favorites, our first item. Sobrang love ito. My second favorite is this beautiful floral puff sleeve. This comes in 4 sizes, small, medium, large, XL. I got it in a size small, and this is just my uniform. I always just go for dresses when it comes to my default outfit of the day. Definitely love ito. Just a warning, I am obsessed with puff sleeves, and therefore the next dress is another puff sleeves. This beautiful blue and white paisley printed dress with tie. I love the combination of blue and white. It's such a calming color combination. It reminds me of the beach. It reminds me of shabby chic. It reminds me of my mother's vases. It comes in 4 sizes, small, medium, large, XL, and it is only 386 pesos. Definitely love ito. Next item! Another puff sleeve dainty floral. Come on guys, pagbigyan nyo na ako. This is my idea of summer. I don't know what your idea of summer is, but this is mine. This one is midi length, and this comes in 5 sizes. Oh my gosh, yes, that's the reason why I also love Lovito, because they carry plus sizes. So this is a size small, and this is only 282 pesos. For the price, the style, and the inclusivity of sizes, definitely love ito. Aside from florals and puff sleeves, the other thing that I'm obsessed about when it comes to summer looks are white dresses. White is the perfect summer color. It's comfortable to wear white, especially in the heat of this country. You can really explore with accessories when it comes to a blank canvas like this. This one comes in 4 sizes. I bought a size small, small, medium, large, XL. During my Lovito Valentine's haul, I bought the red of this, and I love that style so much that I bought it in white. And this is only 369 pesos. This is already the second time around, so definitely love ito. We're now moving on to peekaboo dresses, the very definition of hot girl summer. We are shedding more and more fabric. So this one is this beautiful gingham or plaid printed puff sleeve, backless, and sideless. The print of this dress reminds me of picnics. It makes me think of lying in the grass with a book on the lap of my significant other while he pushes me off and says, "Ang bigat ng ulo mo. Ang laki kasi." And I wake up and it's just a daydream. But it's okay because this dress is for reals. This comes in 4 sizes, small, medium, large, XL, and it is only 386 pesos. This dress is like good girl summer in the front and like steaming hot girl summer at the back. So you can really showcase your dual personality with this dress. Definitely, love ito. If I can pull it off. The last peekaboo dress I have for you is this gorgeous smocked dress. Oh my gosh! Guys, I am in love with the print of this one. Please, I hope I can still pull this off. So of course, it's a peekaboo dress, so your sides and your back are exposed, but it's a midi length, which I like. And this comes in 4 sizes, small, medium, large, XL. And it's only 363 pesos. It's just so sexy and flowy, and I absolutely love it. Definitely 100,000,000% one of my personal favorites in this entire collection. Love na love ito. Love ito square. Love ito times pi to the square root of 100. Probably doesn't end up with much. Bobo sa math. There you go, guys. These are the dresses of our haul. We're moving on now to rompers. We love rompers on this channel because it's like you're wearing a dress but with an added, added, what's that? Added barrier. Barrier is the term. So this super cute baby blue romper has bow details on the shoulders. It has lace details. I love the color. I love the style. I love that you can wear something underneath this if you'd like. And this comes in 4 sizes, small, medium, large, XL. And for only 446 pesos. Definitely a love ito. Our next romper is this super sexy boho chic style. Super plunging with like a mock turtleneck and backless with tassel details. Guys, I love the plunging. This is still so me, even if sleeveless is kind of not anymore. Name me a more hot girl summer look than this. I'll wait. The hot girl in me is just that. It's just in me now. It's not anymore on the outside. It's just in my mind and in my memories. But yes, definitely if I can fit in this still. This comes in 4 sizes, small, medium, large, XL, and it's only 380 pesos. The Carlota that I ate, the one that's inside me, is saying, Lovito! Super Lovito! If we had peekaboo dresses, we also have peekaboo rompers. That's right, we are just bearing skin. I love the color of this and the print. They are hearts. And I love that it looks like it's 2-piece, but it's actually connected at the back. Speaking of fit, it comes in 4 sizes, small, medium, large, XL, and it's 386 pesos. I love it all. Another peekaboo romper for the win. It is actually labeled as small, but it can actually fit medium and large. So there are 4 sizes to this one: extra small, small, medium, and large. One of the rare few that has extra small. And this is only 462 pesos. I know this is one of the pricier items, but it is very justified because it has a zipper at the back and it is really, really well made. I love the print. I love the color. This is still Lovito. Guys, ang gaganda. Help me. Look at this beautiful 2-piece. Guys, this is so holiday. This is so vacation. Everybody's going out of town except for me. I got this in a size medium. It comes in 4 sizes, small, medium, large, XL, and only for 380 pesos. I love this so much. And there you go. Those are the beautiful rompers. We're shedding off more and more fabric in the next category until you have nothing left to wear but air. Wow. And this is the swimsuit category. The swimsuit competition. Why? Why do I have to gain weight? Guys, obviously, I won't be able to model most of them, if not all of them, because I don't want you to have your lunch come back up. Sayang naman. But doesn't this remind you of J-Lo's Versace dress? Oh my gosh. Guys, this is only 328 pesos. You can even sell this for like 800 pesos and people will buy it. Look at those thin spaghetti straps, that plunging neckline, those built-in pads. And it has sizes, small, medium, large, XL. I got this in a size medium. Let me just note to you that this is a little bit high cut. It's a little bit French cut, you know, a little bit tanga. But you know, the high cut of swimsuits are super, super trendy on Instagram. Do you know that scandalous back shot and all you see are like the peaches and the high cut? Yeah, that's when I realized I was already getting old, when I consider that scandalous. If that was me 20 years ago, I'd be like, why just my back? Here, have some of my front. Take it. Take it. Take it. This next bathing suit is like black bathing suit, nakakapayat, nakaka-sexy, nakakayaman, nakaka-classy. I prefer this cut because it is not so high. And I know, because you're Filipina, you like to show skin, but you also like to cover it up a little bit. That's why you swam in your t-shirt and your shorts with your swimsuit underneath. It comes in 3 sizes, small, medium, large. I got a size medium, and this is only 374 pesos. Guys, this is such a steal. Don't tell me I didn't warn you. Don't blame me if this runs out. So wait until the end for my voucher code, okay? More classic bathing suits. I got this in a size large. I don't know why. I should have gotten it in a size medium, but you know, now at least you know the reference point for a size large. It is only 328 pesos, less than 400 pesos. It comes in 3 sizes, small, medium, large. There's no choice but to love ito. My last swimsuit, guys, is so trendy. It's a super cute 2-piece. So the undergarment is like high-waisted, which we love. And it has ruffles. And it has texture. And it's not so high-cut. And the top is like puff sleeves with sheerness, with peekaboo detail, and with corset detail at the back. It comes in 3 sizes, medium, large, XL. I got this in a size large, 399 pesos. Obsessed ito. There you go, guys. That's our swimsuit competition. And there are other items here that I just want to show you. Maybe quickly. Okay. Ang lakas nyo talaga sa akin. There's just so much more to show you guys that I will leave it up to you to explore the shop of Lovito in Shopee. And the categories, like they have sleepwear for only 282 pesos. They also have bottoms like skirts. Look at this floral, flowy, ruffled skirt. Other bottoms like skirts or culottes. Look at this blush-colored one. They even have these beautiful khaki-colored high-waisted pants. I even have one that is like corduroy pants, like vintage pants, like Korean style. I even have tops. Other tops like, look at this beautiful silky green one. And of course, chanan! A cherry print top. This blush-colored puff sleeve top. And, oh my gosh, this is one of my personal favorites. This terno, they even have matching set. It's a very Kylie Jenner. I didn't include this in the main haul because, you know, hot girl summer, and this is a hoodie, which is very, very hot. So many items and categories for you to explore at Lovito on Shopee. If I had to narrow down the haul to my top 3, why? So hard. Definitely this top would be like up there, and probably this one. The bathing suit, the matching bathing suit. Okay, this one is my super favorite. I underrated this. Okay, another one. I love the plunge, you know. I super love this also. This is a Hello Epis cut. Hey Epis, what's up? What I love most about Lovito is the design and the price, and that there are sizes. What is challenging about Lovito, or any other online store for that matter, is the sizing. You will just really have to read reviews, and you will really have to measure yourself. Read the listed measurements, and if you need more clarifications, chat the customer service. The only other challenging thing I find about shopping in Lovito, or any other online store for that matter, is the expectation on material. Some material will be more of like a blend or like a synthetic fiber blend, and some will feel more like cotton. And if you're not sure, again, read reviews, ask in the customer service chat box. And we have a voucher code, and the voucher code is LOVICHERR. Yes, hindi ako upuan. LOVICHERR. Hindi nagkasya yung Y na cherry. So, burahin nyo na lang yung Y. The code LOVICHERR will get you 120 pesos off discount for a minimum purchase of 800 pesos. How do you use the code LOVICHERR? Check out your Lovito items on Shopee, and to input or type the code LOVICHERR on the shop or store discount voucher bar, not on the Shopee voucher bar. So you have to input the code LOVICHERR on the shop voucher bar, not the Shopee voucher bar. I will post these instructions again in the description box below. Don't forget to use LOVICHERR for 120 peso discount on your 800 peso minimum purchase. Thank you so much, Lovito, for the part 2 of this collaboration, and thank you, my Bombshells, for still being here. Don't forget to follow Lovito on their social media accounts, where I will be posting some of these try-ons. Bye, everybody. I'll see you on my next video. Stay frugalicious. Cue sexy music. MTRCB tayo nito. My second favorite is this beautiful puff sleeves, floral, pastel, and also bright at the same time. Dami kasing sasabihin sa isang linya. My second favorite is this beautiful puff sleeve, V-neck. Natabusan ako ng sasabihin. But anyway, at least now you know the reference point for a SARS lies. I got this in a SARS again! The size is labeled as small, but it can actually fit medium. They're rich man's t-shirts.